to start off the grid with Amuleta. So Amuleta is a blues, acid, hard rock, and funk band formed in 1998 from the city of Pasig and the small town of Pateros. Both guitarists Buds Guevara and Mark Eason wrote and arranged songs about people like, eto nga yung patutugtugin natin, yung Cool Joe and Bumble Jack. So yung Cool Joe, one of the Amuleta's signature song is in the genre of original Pinoy rock and blues, inspired by the current people situations, particularly of being too lazy in every aspect of life. Cool Joe explores the simplest of things which most people take for granted and do nothing about it, instead choosing not to be involved in the outside world. So the song lyrics describe how an amboy that lived in America with so much money during his early life, however, forgot to move forward as years go by and lost everything, money, friends, and his family. Oh, nakakalungkot naman. And so people around started to mock him and waiting for an instance where he could do something on such situation. This song is written by the band's guitarist Buds Guevara back in 1999.
Si Buds din ang gitarista ng
Dead Nails.
Yan.
So, yun. Previous members, Ray Medina on vocals, Jojo Huevos on bass, Arlene Aduna on drums, and Paul Casili, drummer and bassist during their first tape live recording in 2002. Pero 20 years later, in 2023, si Buds and si Mark, both inspired by Bandang X movement, decided to reborn the band together with a new lineup. So Norman San Joaquin on vocals, current vocalist of Obsessed and Fireflies, joined Amuleta as the new frontman, with Ron Bugas on bass and Richard the Chump Morilla on drums, merged with Amuleta, current drummer of Mark Eason's alternative pop rock band Princesa. Later on, Reuben Janwick Monterey on keyboards completed the lineup with a new blend of sound to mix the band's genre and musicality.
Yun.
So yun. Pakinggan na natin. Here's Amuleta with Cool Joe.
TPC Jam 88.3 off the grid.
Kapag hawak ang teklado, ikaw ay pumopogi. Naninilaw na mga ngipin, may itim na daliri. Ilang minuto lang at ikaw ay darating. Lahat sila sumasaya kapag ikaw ay dumating. Cool Joe, magdilig ka ng halaman. Mabibilis kong magsilakan at matutulit kumaripas. Ilang minuto lang at ikaw ay darating. Lahat sila sumasaya kapag ikaw ay humating. Cool Joe, magtimpla ka ng gulaman. Cool Joe, may dumi ang talambakan. Cool Joe, magtimpla ka ng gulaman. Cool Joe, may dumi ang talambakan. Kapag hawak ang tiklado, ikaw ay pumupogi. Naninilaw na mga ngipin, may itim na daliri.
Yon, that was Amuleta with Cool Joe. Right.
And, check out their page, Amuleta, para sa mga events. So, suportahan natin yung mga local bands natin. Bili tayo ng merch, bili tayo ng CDs nila, and attend tayo ng gigs. Diba?
Yun.
Maganda pa rin makita sila. Palagi ko sinasabi, mapanood sila ng live.